I no dey reply children. Wike na my worker. Amaechi. Welcome country people to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The former governor of Rivers State, Rotimi Amaechi, he don talk say the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Nyesom Wike, say dem no dey the same level and that he no go exchange words with children. During the interview for Arise Television, Amaechi try im best not to talk politics or to mention Wike name. He can't talk am for there. Say somebody like am when he hire Wike as in chief of staff, he not go bring himself low to dey trade insult with am for public. This cold war when e dey between Wike and Amaechi so, e start recently when Amaechi for im 60th birthday, e come talk say im dey hungry. Many Nigerians dey shocked for the statement wey Amaechi make. A lot of persons come dey wonder that after over 20 years for political leadership for the country, less than 3 years when he no hold any position, hunger come dey beat am. People come dey say no, that I dey hungry na symbol for plenty things. And like Wike put am, he say former Rivers governor no dey hungry for food but for political relevance. Amaechi come dey challenge Wike for the things wey he talk say na him help Amaechi be governor. Na there Amaechi come say for him to become governor, he say na God, former governor Peter Odili, the judiciary and the Rivers State people na dey responsible for the election. He come tell journalists dem make dem ask Wike well how he take contribute to him Amaechi when he become governor. Even though he refused to mention the FCT Minister name throughout the conversation. He talk say he be Wike boss, whether Wike like am or not. He say na him hire Wike and if for fit say no. Amaechi come also talk that na him make Wike im chief of staff so that him go fit supervise Wike closely. He say even though they dey put pressure on am make him make Wike commissioner for finance, he say because Wike never acknowledge say anybody don ever help am for life. He say he want Wike as chief of staff so he go fit supervise am. He say he no offer Wike commissioner for finance. He say he dey talk this one because he no wan join issues with children. You know say na him make Wike chief of staff, na him make himself governor, na him make himself minister, na him make himself local government chairman. Amaechi come dey use am take dey mock Wike because Wike no dey gree say anybody ever help am. He come dey point say Wike no dey matured for im conversations at all. He say politicians no dey care about their family names. He say that is why they dey behave. They no dey think about the implication of their actions. He come say as governor, him Amaechi he build several flyovers and e no make any noise. E come dey surprised say why all the media attention on the flyovers when Wike build for Rivers State. The former minister come say e dey disappointed, say they abandon and they destroy the projects when e don complete for im time. He say dat thing dey pain am each time e dey see the projects when e build and complete, say dem dey vandalize am. Country people, this fight between two former governors and also ministers dem, how e dey look like now? Amaechi, e say Wike na pikin. Wike dey say na him make Amaechi be wetin Amaechi be today. Amaechi say Wike na him boy, him be Wike oga, and Wike dey say na him be oga. People dey react to this cold war between Nyesom Wike and Amaechi. They say Amaechi correct o, say Wike na worker for Amaechi because na Amaechi na appoint am as chief of staff. Although for one other tori, report come say Wike say na him choose to be chief of staff, if not dey offer am commissioner for finance. But for Amaechi account, na him give Wike chief of staff, make e for fit monitor wetin Wike dey do. Between the two of them now, who dey talk the truth? Na Wike abi na Amaechi? Because the gbasgbos e don dey plenty. Some people dey describe them as birds of the same feather. E say this na situation of kettle when e dey call pot black. Somebody say Amaechi dey hungry now after e don feed on Nigeria for about 25 years. E say Wike na Amaechi employee. No doubt. Another person say, you were a boy to Odili, but you became governor. Wike too has grown, has become oga over time. He has occupied some offices. You haven't too. Now somebody calls, which office Wike don occupy wey Amaechi never occupy? Country people, na different strokes for different folks. Are the same opinion free. So people dey entitled to their opinion. But e come be like say the last, we never hear am for this Wike and Amaechi matter. Country people, how una see this discussion?